Hello and welcome to our place in Sicily.
Today we're going to take you through our next big reinforcement project. Today we're putting together a few weeks of work and bringing you from the ground floor entryway into the flex rooms.
And into the big rooms up above, which is our living room and our reception area. So buckle up, this is gonna be a long video. And I'm gonna do my best to voice over all the parts that are happening so you can understand better. It's very similar to our video where we put in the other ceiling floor, but I'll tell you about the differences. So we started in the entryway, and they couldn't start any other way but by pulling up all of the floor. They also pulled up the floor in the very dark, what will be sort of a coat room, mechanical room, on their way into the flex room. So you can see here, the guys are removing the top layer so we can reinforce these walls. Upstairs, they are starting to do the same thing on the walls and getting ready to take out the floor. Always a little scary to see this part. But this is what it looks like when the floor is all removed. The guys are cleaning up. We're going to look at it from all the different doorways here so you can see this is our living room. The wall in front of us is the family room. Below our flex room 1A and 1B, because they've removed the wall between it, and way over to our left here is the reception room. And here's from the other wall, just giving you a sense of what we've got here. And one of my favorite moments was when Stefano tried to see if the excavator could fit in to remove some of the rubble, but it couldn't. Well, we tried, or he tried. This is Flex Room 1A meets Flex Room 1B. And then above our Flex Rooms, the joy of looking at our beautiful ceilings from far away. And as I pan around, if you look at the light coming from the room on the left, that is our other Flex Room 2A and B. Here it is, and where the guys are on this one. This is our Flex Room 1, our first Flex Room, looking up into the living room, which will open to the family room, into the reception area. And that doorway up there is into the dining room. And then the rest of the flex room and into the sunroom or solarium. It's fantastic. At this point, they have the rooms ready to put the mesh up on all the walls. Now that they've got it all cleared out, they're putting in scaffolding back in. And they're going to start passing mesh up. They're putting mesh down below. You can probably hear that. It is not an easy job. I thought this was fun because they had to work around our safe, which is now very high off the ground, but is normally just a few feet off of the floor. And before I started taping, the guys had a whole discussion about how they're going to put this up and how they're going to cut around the safe. They've got to sneak it behind the scaffolding. Now they will sort of put it up here, and then they'll hold it up with these little sort of like L-shaped pieces of rebar. And then they tie the pieces together. I thought I would give you the fast forward motion of this so you can sort of see what they do. And they just kept going until all of the upstairs and downstairs room was done and complete. You can also see it by this point, they had taken out the floor joists as well. If you've been playing along at home, you'll recognize that these are our cement blades, what translates into blades. And here is the room ready and prepped. You see they've already actually got some of them in. These are cement bars in sort of an upside down T shape with rebar going through it. And they are not light, and the guys are carrying them in one at a time. If you've been playing along, you may have seen us do a very similar procedure to the room, the ceiling floor between the guest house and the main house, except that they went in the other direction. So this time we're able to go across, and basically where you see all the holes here, those are where there actually were wood timbers before. So now we're putting in cement. The wood timbers, some were fine, some had woodworm, some were rotted. And what they're doing here is they're measuring from inside the hole on one side to inside the hole on the other side, and then measuring the blade, the cement blade. I really have to find out what we would really call it in the US, because it's not a blade. It's a beam. And they're cutting it down right now. It's not easy. You're cutting through cement and rebar. And now you'll see, so that's Stefano, our builder, on the left, and then his crew on the right. So they have to get it all the way in, take it through the door on the other side. Because, right, this is longer than the width of this room. So now Stefano is going to put it up and actually through that door above. Yeah, you can see how heavy this is. And they all know I'm watching them. And it's going to go in that hole right by where that rock just was. But first, he's going to lift it up into the doorway so we can lift up the other side and put it into the open space over there. That's Leonardo. And you'll see that there are bricks here. We're going to come to the bricks in just a second. But we're going to now put it into that hole as far as they can get it, and then they can shimmy it back over into this side. Now you look around the perimeter of the room, or really the right and left side where these are balancing, and you will see that there are like 1x6s or whatever metrically they use here, and they're up on support posts. And those are trying to hold these level, but we will get to actually leveling this shortly. What they're trying to do right now is space these blades very evenly apart. And the T shapes sort of hold on to these sort of odd brick shapes. So they have this one placed in here, and to keep it from moving around, Stefano is just putting in a couple nails just to keep it, because otherwise every time you go to scoot these heavy things, they scoot everywhere. So they are using the bricks basically just to space out the beams evenly along the way. Now, I promised you we were going to talk about leveling, and I did not lie. So they've got a few of the beams set up, and somebody from the crew showed up with this electronic level. I think it's actually one of our vendors. And what they're going to do is the little yellow box by the gentleman's foot is going to throw a laser, and Stefano around the corner here has the other part that is going to receive the laser, and it's going to beep until it marks it as level. And they're going to do this around the room. So they have started laying the beams across the wood, but what they're actually doing is leveling that wood below. And as he hears it stop, they stop adjusting it. And how they're adjusting it is there's somebody downstairs on the ground floor who's adjusting those posts below. I am peeking through a doorway here, trying not to bother them. I'll move around in a second, but they're going to keep going around. I am going around as well, and adjust these. Now, every time they need to adjust one, they sometimes not every time sometimes need to go back and refix one of the other ones. So, it's the little dance of being level. And you can see here, and you have to make sure that green light is still accessible to the laser level that was in that doorway, the little yellow box. And you can see them loosening up one of the tightening on the support post so they can adjust it just a little bit, and they keep working until everything's level. It's all level here. They're securing it, and that's really the end of that. Again, here's a close-up of our cement beams for the day. And when they were all done laying all of the bricks in there, which you may have seen in our previous video for the other section of the house, then they put the metal mesh, and this is ready to go for our cement, which will be coming bright and early. They told us 7 o'clock, but when we got here at 7 o'clock, they were already started. And here is our bright and early cement truck. I tell you, our neighbors are going to be really excited when we are done with this project, which will not be for at least another year and a half. So they were almost halfway done by the time we got there. And this is Stefano, and he's working at leveling, I believe this is called a float, leveling the cement. And essentially what happens is the water sort of rises to the top. Some of it is going through the fine little holes of the bricks that are underneath, but mostly it just drips a little bit of water. But this gives us a nice smooth finish. The guys behind, you're going to see in a second, because we have a fast forwarded version of this. The guys behind have the hose coming in, and they're spreading it out as fast as they can. Stefano's got into a spot that he can stop at. That's the fast version of Stefano. Again, just sort of move the hose, move the hose, move the hose. That hose is heavy. They do have a gentleman, he keeps popping into the doorway, that has a remote control to the car, and he can pull the crane up a little bit. You can see there that the hose is up high, and then they're just trying to figure out when they have the perfect amount. And they close up the windows so it can dry, and that's it. That is our new floor. Now we just have to wait for it to dry. And this is our flex room that used to be 2 rooms and now is 1, and has a much more structurally sound ceiling.
And this is our new reinforced living room. And the new reception room. And there's only one section left to do. The girls' bedrooms all the way through into the kitchen. One more section of reinforcement. Until next time, ciao.